Hey friends, welcome back. Let me ask you something. Are you still struggling with Microsoft Office, either paying high subscription fees or using cracked versions that could put your PC at risk? If yes, then today I have the perfect solution for you. I'll show you how to get a free, safe, and reliable alternative to Microsoft Office that looks almost the same and works just as well. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to download, install, and start using it on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Before we dive in, a small favour. Hit the like button and subscribe to support the channel. It helps a lot and motivates me to share more useful tips with you. All right, let's begin. First, open any browser on your computer. In the search bar, type LibreOffice Desktop Editors and press Enter. From the results, click on the official LibreOffice website. Scroll down the page and you'll see several download options. I suggest choosing the exe file because it's simple and quick. Download it. Once the download is finished, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. Select your language and click OK. Accept the license terms, then click Next. Keep all the settings at their defaults and keep pressing Next until you reach the Install button. Click Install and wait for the setup to finish. It usually takes just a minute or two. When it's done, click Finish and the application will open automatically. You will see the LibreOffice main home screen. It has 4 main options: Document, Spreadsheet, Presentation, and PDF. You can also open MS Office documents from your PC. If you open Document, you'll find an editor very similar to Microsoft Word. It supports formats like docx, ODT, .txt, and more. You can also save your files as Word documents without any issues. Next, the Spreadsheet option is your Excel replacement. It works with formulas, functions, and opens Excel files smoothly. And you can easily open and edit Excel files here. The Presentation option is your free version of PowerPoint. You can create slides, use templates, and add animations easily. At last, the PDF editor. Here you can easily create, edit, and save all types of PDF files without any issue, and it works very smoothly. The best thing is that LibreOffice is completely free, works offline, and is 100% safe. I've tested it myself, and it performs really well across different devices. So instead of wasting time and risking your system with cracks or activators, switch to LibreOffice and enjoy a clean, hassle-free experience. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.